So I've been trying to make a lot more of my own food for camping and riding and whatnot. And I got this book off Amazon, and it's been helping me out a lot. It's got all kinds of information on making your own backpacking meals, kind of an alternative to the Mountain House stuff that I've been eating for years, but I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars on that food in the last decade or so, or maybe two. And I just started making my own using this food dehydrator right here, and then I have a vacuum sealer, and it's been working pretty good. I've tried a few of the meals already, like the ramen bombs and some other stuff, just from dehydrated vegetables and canned food and stuff, and some of the stuff it says in this book. It's got a lot of cool stuff in there I haven't seen anywhere else, not even on the internet. But it's a pretty good book. It's called Recipes for Adventure. So you check it out. Thanks.